Welcome students. Today's topic is factors affecting rate of reaction. The first is our nature of reactant. Already it is told when the compound is ionic, the reaction is quite fast because already the compound or the atom is present in ionic form, so they react very fast. Now suppose if the compound or the atom or the reactant is in molecular formation, there is involvement of breaking or formation of bonds. So this breaking and formation of bond also needs some type of energy, so it also depends on the nature of the reactant. Suppose if breaking of energy needs least reaction, so it will break up into its constituent very easily, so it will react fast. Now second point is concentration of reactant. If the concentration is more, the collisions increases. Concentration is directly, if concentration is more, the molecular collision increases. See, I am saying it again. If concentration increases, the molecular collision also increases. So this means we have the concentration of the reactant should be more. The concentration of reactant will be more, there will be more collisions, and hence there will be more reactivity of the reactant. Third is temperature. On increasing 10 degrees Celsius, the reaction speed either is doubled or tripled. So we can say it is also directly proportional to rate of reaction, and it is also directly proportional to rate of, see, this is only I am telling you for now. Fourth point is surface area. Surface area of reactant. More the surface area, there will be more and more reaction. See, if surface area is more, there will be more area of contact, and hence there will be more rate of reaction. So it can be said that if it is also directly proportional to, see, these things only I am telling you to remember. Now fifth point is catalyst. I think you all may be knowing that catalyst is anything which either fastens the reaction or either lower downs the reaction without participating in any reaction. without participating in any reaction. How it reacts? Now see here, suppose this is your reactant and this is your product. Now here you have added one catalyst, that is X. This X here is your catalyst. Is your catalyst. So what is do? See, these are your reactants. When you have added here catalyst, so it forms an intermediate compound. This intermediate compound lowers down the energy barrier. Hence the product is formed at least energy. Now see this graph. I am explaining you the function of catalyst by this graph. See, this is a graph plotted here. This graph is plotted against the potential energy and the course. This is here, this lies the course of the reaction. This blue line is for the active without catalyst. Now see here, suppose here we are having a reactant. Reactant is here. Suppose we have added here A and B. They are two reactants. Now this is the energy for the A and B to react. See, they will go on increasing, and as soon as this complex is formed, from this point product starts forming. See, now this is the point where the product is formed. So here the product is okay. Now see, now if we have added one catalyst and that catalyst is here X, this X is here our catalyst. On adding this catalyst, this catalyst, one activated complex will be formed. This will be your this activated complex energy is very low, so it will start from here, and the product which was forming here, now the product will be formed here, and it starts from the formation of product starts from here only. See, earlier when there was no catalyst, when in your reactant when there was no catalyst, तो आपका activated complex यहाँ बन रहा था, and your activated complex was A and B. इसका जो एनर्जी बैरियर था वो यहाँ पे था, पर व्हाट एनर्जी बैरियर एक्टिवेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स ने क्या किया, इस एनर्जी बैरियर को कम कर दिया. इस एनर्जी, सी दिस लाइन, दिस इज यहाँ से प्रोडक्ट बनना स्टार्ट हुआ, और यहाँ से कौन सा प्रोडक्ट बनना स्टार्ट हुआ, जब आपने कैटलिस्ट ऐड किया. तो क्या किया, इस एक्टिवेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स ने, कैटलिस्ट ने इस एनर्जी बैरियर को कम कर दिया. सी हियर, दिस एनर्जी बैरियर इज रिड्यूस्ड. जितना एनर्जी बैरियर कम होगा, ज़्यादा से मोर एंड मोर मॉलिक्यूल्स विल गो and cross this energy barrier, and more will be the formation of product. Is it understood? Okay, now thank you for